SAT math portion of the software. So before you exit this video out, I just want 3 minutes, about 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Hopefully I don't make this video any longer, but I do want to give you some high-level overview of what the SAT math section looks like and how the software, the functionality, and the basic overview of that. So section 3 on the test, on the actual test, is always going to be your math section, and this is your no calculator portion. So the no calculator portion consists of 20 questions in 25 minutes. And if I go down here, you'll see how these are your multiple choice questions till question 15. And then they have from 16 to 20 your grid-in questions. And then you're going to move on to section 4 on the real test day, and that will be your calculator portion, which is 55 minutes and 38 questions. Same exact deal here. The first 30 questions over here are multiple choice, and then you'll have your grid-in questions. A couple of pointers: the grid-in questions will never have negative answers, so the answers will always be positive. And as far as throughout the test goes, the SAT does not take off points for wrong answers, so make sure on the real test day you answer every single question, even if it comes down to guessing. So moving away from the actual test and moving back to the software a little bit, let's look at how the software is going to look once you cross this video out. And you probably got to this video once you hit math get started. And on this page, once you exit the video out, you'll see your first question. And this question, in this case, happens to be the cost of 18 tennis balls is X dollars. In dollars, what would the cost of 360 tennis balls? Let's say if I have no idea how to do this question and I guess this question, I guess D, and it happens to be the right question. So what you're going to do, if it's the right question, you really want to know how to do the question, click on review past questions. See this link up here? Click on review past questions, and over here you'll have all the questions you've done in the past. So I'll click on this question that I just did, question 3, which brings me back to this question, and I can hit the show explanation video. Once I hit the show explanation video, right over here, it'll show me step by step on how to actually attack this problem. So a really cool feature. If you do guess and you get the question right, you can go back and check out how to do the actual problem. I know it's kind of tedious, but you should definitely take time out to go back and look at the proper way of doing the problem. So if I do get the question right, it'll bring me to the next problem, and you'll keep doing a bunch of these problems till you can get this to be 100% complete. Once you do get this bar to be 100% complete, it'll move you on to the next category. Our goal is to complete all these categories by the end of the course. The SAT, this is what the SAT tests you on, these particular categories. So if you can master these categories, the actual test will be a piece of cake. So our goal here is to go through these categories step by step and get those going. That's really just as basic as it gets. If you have any questions, feel free to report a problem, and you can really pick whichever option it is. Send us a comment, or you can click down here and email us if you have any questions also. Rest should be relatively self-explanatory. If you have any questions, like I said, feel free to email me, email us, and good luck.